I read the book Dog Driven by Lynn Johnson. The author lives in Ontario, Canada, and used to have her own team of sled dogs. She also wrote the book Ice Dogs. Dog Driven is a standalone juvenile fiction book that was written in 2019 and won many awards, including the Maine Student Book Award in 2019 to 2020. This book takes place in Canada in Northern Ontario. It's an inspiring, exciting, and will keep you on the edge of your seat. McKenna Barney is a 14-year-old girl who is learning to come to terms with a physical disability. This book is suspenseful and has an intricate plot and would appeal to readers who enjoy action-packed stories or enjoy people who persevere against all odds. I really enjoyed the relationship between the two mushers and the relationship between McKenna and her lead dog Mustard and G and his lead dog Zesty. McKenna wants to lead a sled dog team in the Great Superior Male Race. She needs to deliver a letter written by her 8-year-old sister Emma, who is visually impaired due to a disease called Stargardt's. McKenna has been keeping a secret that she too is starting to develop the same disease as her sister, and is afraid to tell anyone because she does not want to lose her freedom. Will she be able to complete the race while keeping her secret?